Have you ever felt like your hair just isn't what it used to be? Whether it's from frequent styling, heat damage, or the harsh environmental elements, we've all been there. Today I'm reviewing the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo, a product that promises to repair, strengthen, and moisturize damaged hair using AHA and omega-9. But does it really live up to the hype? Stay tuned to find out. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon for more honest beauty reviews from Beautyistic. Wella Professionals is a brand known for its rich history in hair care, and their Ultimate Repair Shampoo claims to be the solution for those struggling with damaged hair. This creamy shampoo is designed to repair and strengthen hair while providing deep moisture. It's formulated with alpha-hydroxy acids, AHA, and omega-9, which are meant to help improve the texture and overall health of the hair. The product is free from any added fragrance, making it a good option for those who are sensitive to scents. When I first tried this shampoo, I immediately noticed how rich and creamy the texture was. It lathered up well and gave my hair a soft, smooth feel, even before I had finished washing it. I tested it over several days, and each time, my hair felt hydrated and looked visibly shinier. I have all hair types, so it's easy for me to gauge how well a product works across the board. The real test, though, was how it held up in the long run, and I was impressed. My hair felt stronger, with less frizz and breakage after using it consistently. In terms of ease of use, the product was straightforward. I didn't need to use an excessive amount, and the shampoo rinsed out without leaving any residue. I would recommend it for anyone who needs extra moisture or is dealing with dry, brittle hair. However, for those with very fine hair, the richness of the product might feel a bit heavy if overused. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is definitely moisturizing. I love that it worked without adding any weight or greasiness, which is a common complaint with many moisturizing shampoos. The use of AHA and omega-9 is a big selling point for me, especially considering the benefits they offer for both hair health and scalp condition. On the downside, it might be a little too heavy for those with fine or oily hair types, especially if you're not using a clarifying shampoo from time to time to balance things out. While it's unscented, some people might prefer a slight fragrance to their shampoo for a more luxurious experience. When it comes to value for money, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo is on the higher end of the price spectrum. But considering the results I've seen with my own hair, I'd say it's worth the investment for anyone struggling with damage, split ends, or dryness. The formula is potent and does exactly what it claims to do: repair, moisturize, and strengthen without needing a lot of extra products in your routine. If you're someone who is looking for a similar product but at a lower price point, there are plenty of drugstore options available. Brands like OGX and Pantene also offer moisturizing shampoos that provide decent results for less money, but they may not have the same high-performing ingredients like AHA and omega-9. Now, as for the build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. The bottle is sturdy and easy to use, which I appreciate. I've had no issues with it dispensing the product, and I feel confident that it will last me through multiple washes without any complaints. It's also worth mentioning that, while it's not a cheap option, the quality justifies the price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I didn't need to reach out to Wella's team directly, but their reputation for being responsive and helpful in addressing any customer concerns speaks for itself. If you've tried the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it help restore your hair's health? In conclusion, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Shampoo does a fantastic job of nourishing and strengthening damaged hair. If you have dry, brittle hair or are looking for something to boost hair health, this might be exactly what you need. It's definitely a product I'll continue to use, especially for those days when my hair needs a little extra TLC. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.